Now let's see. Everybody, can you hear me? Okay, good. Can you see my screen? Very good. So last time we finished to 134, the problem 134. Today we start from 135. So this problem, they give you the three letters O, P, D in lowercase. They ask you to write two English words. An English word that has a rotational symmetry of order 2. Okay, actually you already got this answer. That's pod and DOP. Okay, so this one, because O it's this one is already rotated symmetry for any angle. Okay, so then that means you need to put O in the middle. Otherwise, you cannot get a symmetry word at all. Then you need to put a P on the one side, D on the other side. In English word, we have pod. This is a word, right? Then when you turn this one 180 degree, then you got another word called dop. It's also an English word. So the answer for this one is this. So now let's go to 136. This problem, they give you the 10 digits from 0 to 9. Then they ask you which digits above have rotational symmetry. Everybody send me the private chat. Now let's see who can get this one right. Okay. Okay, Samuel, it's right. Let's see. Olivia, you need to double check. Is 3 also symmetry or rotational symmetry? If you turn this one, how many degree you can get that one symmetry? Now let me check who else. Who I need to check. Olivia, most are right. Winston, all right. Samuel, all right. Okay, very good. Now, Olivia, you just remove 3. 3 is not symmetry. Kimberly, 3 is not. And then you can think number 2 and number 5. Say this one, this 0, this one definitely it's rotational symmetry. You know, when you rotated this one like 180 degree, then you got this one will rotate to here, right? So this one's rotated symmetry. This one is rotated symmetry. This one also rotated symmetry. When you rotate this 180 degree, this one also will same with this. This one is no. If you rotate it 180 degrees, this one will like this. It's not same as this. So 3 is not rotated symmetry. And 5 is yes. When you rotated 5 180 degree, 5 will same with this. And 8, that's rotated symmetry. So that's 0, 1, and 2, and 5, and 8. These 5 numbers. Okay, these 5. Okay, so now let's go to next one. Okay, this one is a little bit harder. See, in 136, problem 136, you already get a 0. You already got the 0, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Digits, they have the rotational symmetry. Now they ask you how many two-digit numbers written with the digits above have rotational symmetry. Okay, two-digit numbers cannot start with 0. Okay, everybody write down. Now let me check. Samuel, okay, this one right, this one right, this one right. Yes, Samuel, you got all of them right. Yes, that's very good. Now let's see. Winston, you got what you write, that's right, but you missed one. And let's see, Olivia, you write too many. And some of what you write is not rotational symmetry. You need to check 12, 15, and 18. They're not rotational symmetry. Samuel got all of them right. Winston, oh yeah, Winston now got all of them right. Okay, so this one, all them numbers is total we have 6. There 11, then 22, then 55, then 88, then 6, 9, 6, 9, and 96. 6, 9. No, this one I read this one wrong. This one should like this. 96. 96. Okay, say 1, 2, 3. Totally 6 numbers. These 6 numbers. This is our correct answer. 11, 22, 55, 88, 69, and 96. Okay, these are all the correct answers. Okay, now let's go to 138, next page. So this page, they ask you draw a line. See here, for each shape below, shade a square that could be removed to leave a shape with at least one line of symmetry. What recommend you use a pencil on these puzzles? Okay, you can do it on your book. If you have a book, do it on your book. Then send me a private chat. You can let's say but how we can, yeah, now, yeah, let's do this. Let's separate, okay? Oliver, okay, Oliver, you do this. Okay, Samuel, you do this. Don't write the others, okay? Let's Kimberly do this. And let's see, Winston, you do this. Okay, you just found which square you can remove, then make the left has at least one line of symmetry. Okay, now let's say, yeah, if you remove this one, then you have one line of symmetry, and that will be like this. this line of symmetry, this left, yeah, this one's right. Now, if you take this one away, then you have this line of symmetry. That's good. Kimberly, yeah, remove this one, then you have this line of symmetry, also have this line of symmetry. Very good. Winston, Samuel, don't draw here. Okay, I did not ask you draw. You don't draw. This is for Winston. Okay, Winston, do you have any idea to do this? Everybody think this one, 100.
I cannot write.
You cannot write, but you can talk. Which square you want to remove? Everybody, you can draw. Why you cannot draw? I give everybody the right. You can draw on my screen. See, Samuel, Kimberly, Oliver, all can draw. Why you cannot draw? Yeah, remove this one. Remove this. Remove this one. Remove this one, then you have a symmetry line like this, right? Okay, this is 141. Now let's see. Don't draw, Samuel. Everybody don't draw this one yet. Okay, now let's give this one for Samuel, this one for Olivia, this one for Kimberly, this one for Winston. Who else did not get this? Okay. Winston, if you cannot, you don't know which one you cannot draw on my screen, you can send me a private chat. Said which square you want to remove. You can, Samuel, you can only remove one. You cannot remove 2 squares. You can only remove 1 square. After you remove the square, you need to draw what is your symmetry line. Not only just remove that square, then what is your symmetry line? You need to also draw what's your symmetry line. Okay, yeah, Olivia, this one, that's right. Samuel, we'll wait your result. What's your result for 142? Everybody now think this one. This one, it's a little bit harder. Okay, Samuel, then what's your symmetry line after you remove that square? Yes, yeah, this one now it's right. Good, good. Now let's see, Kimberly, remove this one, then symmetry line is this. Wait, here for this one is changed. This one say for each shape below, shade the square that could remove to leave a shape with a rotational symmetry. If you take this away, is this one rotational symmetry? This one, if this problem is same with this previous one, that's fine. But now this one changed. They ask you from after you remove one square, the shape you get, that's rotational symmetry. So you need to do this one again. That one is not right. If you do this, that's not the correct answer. Think. 144. Remove which one can make the shape is rotational symmetry. Right, right. Then yeah, take this one away, this square away, then the left shape is rotational symmetry. Okay, Winston, 145. Which square you want to remove? Make this one is rotational symmetry. This one is, take this one away. Yeah, take this one away. Audrey, yeah, you're right. Take this one away. Then the left shape is rotational symmetry. Very good. Now let's see 146 and 147. So 146, remove which one? Make this shape it's rotated symmetry. Yes, Audrey, you're right. Take this one away. Take this one away. Then you change this one is like digit 2. You know digit 2, that's we already know it has rotational symmetry. Okay, now let's work on 147. Which one? Okay, Olivia. Yeah, that's right. Remove that square, then make this shape has rotational symmetry. Yes, this one is right. Take this one away, then your answer is right. Okay, so now let's go to 100. Go to this page. This page say they give you example. Ask you draw a cut line along the grid to separate the shape into two pieces so that both pieces have at least one line of symmetry. So this cut line can be, can be like this square, can be like this way, zigzag shape. Don't have to be a straight line. See the cut line shown below, separate the shape into two pieces, each with at least one line of symmetry. Say if you do this way, separate, then one piece is like this, another piece is like this. For this piece, you have vertical line of symmetry. For this piece, you have two symmetry line. One is a horizontal, another is a vertical. So then, now we give you a shape. You need to draw this separate line. Okay, now let's see 148. Now let's separate. Okay, let's go. This one give to Oliver. This one give to Audrey. This one give to Kimberly. This one give to Samuel. Okay, now let's see. If you did not get it, does not matter. Later I'll give you the first. Now you can help. If you did not get a problem here to do, you can check if this students did this work right. Now let's see 148. Oliver separate this way. Okay, then get this one, the symmetry is this. Yeah, this one symmetry is this. Yes, this one's right. Oliver did right. Now let's see Audrey. Audrey, how you draw this? What is a separate line for your? Okay, why make that so? Okay, now think how you separate this. Okay, 149. You separate this way. You just separate this way. Then you got this piece, this one. Now let's see, 149. Yeah, you got one piece is this. right? This one is symmetry line as it is like this way. This is the symmetry line. Then another piece, then you have horizontal symmetry and vertical symmetry. Your separate line just like this. Then make this one go. This one is a one piece. Then this one is another one. Okay. Now let's see Kimberly. Kimberly 150. Yeah, do like this way. Then you get this piece symmetry line will like this, right? This one symmetry line, and then you have this way. Yes. Now let's see Samuel 151. You separate this. Yes, I think this one's right. Yeah. But this way, this one have symmetry like this. This one you have a symmetry line vertical. Yeah, exactly. Very good. Now let's see next 100. This one, see for each shape below, draw a cut line along the grid to separate the shape into two pieces so that both pieces have rotational symmetry. Okay, be careful. This one is the rotational symmetry. Still ask you draw a line, separate these pieces to two pieces, and make each one has at least both pieces are rotational symmetry. How to do this? Now let me give this one to Oliver, this one to Audrey, this one to Samuel, this one to Kimberly. If you did not get, you check if they did right. Okay, Olivia got this one right. Yes, this one's right. Now let's see. Yeah, Audrey got this one. Yeah, this one looks right. 153. 150. Yeah, this one's right. Now let's see, Samuel, how you separate? You make this one to 154. Yeah, don't make your line too thick. Yeah, separate it this way. Yeah, that's right. Kimberly, how to do this? 155. This one, you separate this way. Right? Separate this way. Then this piece, this is the left part, this is the right part. Right part, it's very easy to see has the rotational symmetry. This one actually, the left side also has a rotational symmetry. Okay, but this one looks a little bit harder, okay? Now let's go to this page. This one now asks you merge two pieces together. Make your larger piece has two lines of symmetry. Suppose give you one piece is this, another piece this. You put this one here, then you make this larger piece like this. Then you have two lines of symmetry. Okay. Now let's say here we give you one piece is this, another piece is this. How you can combine these two pieces together, get a new piece has at least two lines of symmetry. Okay, Audrey, you want to do this? Okay, now I'll give this one to Audrey. Now let me move this one a little bit bigger. The other, yeah. Yes, this one's right. See, Audrey do this. This is very good. Yeah, then by this way you have horizontal line and vertical line as symmetry line. This one's very good. Now let's see. Yeah, Kimberly, you can do 156. Now everybody, let's say, give Samuel, you do this one. Camry, if you put it here, this one has 2 lines of symmetry. That's not right. Everybody think how you need to put this piece to somewhere of this, make this new piece, new larger piece will have 2 lines of symmetry. Yeah, put here. Then this new piece will have this line and this line as symmetry. Yeah, put this one here. From, yeah, here. Not there. Okay. Now let's say this one, 158. Where we should put this piece here. Make the new piece has 2 lines of symmetry. This one is a little bit harder. 158. Okay. This one, yeah, but now this problem, yeah, put like this way. Put like this way. Then this one here. Now the symmetry line that would like this. The symmetry line it's this diagonal. Yeah, this diagonal. Okay, but this one only has 1 lines of symmetry. It's not 2 lines. Now let's see this problem. This one, say, to make the larger shape at least 1 line of symmetry. This one has 1 line of symmetry, not 2 lines of symmetry. Good. Now let's see this one. So this one, the example, arrange the 2 shapes below to make a larger shape with rotational symmetry. You put this one and this one together. Make the new shape has a rotational symmetry. Okay, so you can put this one here, make this new shape has a rotational symmetry. You can also put here. Okay, so that means when you put here, like this, then this shape will have rotational symmetry. Now let's see how we can put this 159. Now how to do this? Make this one it's rotational symmetry. 159. How to put that? Rotational, okay? Olivia, you do that one. Is that will be a rotational symmetry? Yeah, Audrey, I think what you did is right. This one now is right. This one is right. Do this. This 2, put that 2, put here. Then this one here. Then this shape has rotational symmetry. Okay, do this way. Now let's see 160. This one is harder. Everybody think this 160 and 161. How to do this one? Samuel, I think that's not right. Okay. Let me take, yeah, Audrey. This one's right. This one's right. Draw here. Put that one here. Then this new shape will have a rotational symmetry. Okay, now let's think what is the last one for this chapter. Then after we got this right, we'll go to the next chapter. Okay, what we should do? Because this one has yes, everybody, what do you draw here? That's right. Exactly. Yeah, that's yeah, because they put that one here. Then this shape will have a rotational symmetry. Very good. Now we finally finished this chapter. Now let's go to second chapter. Second chapter actually I think a little bit easier than the first chapter. This chapter we will learn the calculate the operations of numbers. First, now let's see example how we can calculate 7 times 38. How we can do this? To do this, we can write 38 equals 30 plus 8, right? Then 7 times 38 will equal 7 times parentheses 30 plus 8. Then you distribute this 7 to each number inside of this parentheses. You do 7 times 30. That's give you 210. Then you plus 7 times 8. So now say you do this, then you do that, then add it together. This one called distribute because the multiplication has a distribute property to the plus. So then we can write this one equals 7 times 30, then plus 7 times 8. But when you do this, you don't need this parentheses anymore, okay? So say you just write 7 times 30 plus 7 times 8 equals 220, then plus 56, you got the 266. Okay, by doing this way, it's easier than you just multiply 38 times 7 directly. Okay, so here to multiply by numbers that have more than one digit, we use the distribute property. You can review this distribute property in chapter 6. So then now let's do this one. Let's separate this to different, let's see, can we do, okay, this one, everybody, you can send me the private chat. Now let's work on this. Send me what you need to put on this box. What is the number you put? Like first write these 3 numbers. What is that, these 3 numbers? Everybody send me your private chat. So I think this one is easy. When you do this, definitely you need to put 4 here. Then write 26 as 20 plus 6. Then you use 4 times 20. Then you get rid of the parentheses. Then plus 4 times 6. By this way, you got 4 times 20 equals 80. 4 times 6, that's 24. Then you got this one, that will equals 104. Okay. Second one, also very easy, 8. You write 47 as 40 plus 7. Then you use 8 times 40 plus 8 times 7. Then 8 times 40, that's 320. Then 8 times 7, that's 56. So you got this one, 376. Now when you do 6 times 82, you write 8 here. Then this one will be 80 plus 2. So 6 times 80, you got, then you distribute this one, 6 times 80 plus 6 times 2. Then this one will be 6 times 80, 480. Then plus 12. Then this one will be 492, right? So this is easy. Now let's go to let's do the practice. Okay, everybody send me the answer for number 4. Now let's everybody do this. What's your answer for number 4? Send me private chat. Send me a private chat, your answer. What's your answer for this? Okay. Yes. Audrey got it correct. Samuel got it correct. Olivia got it correct. Who else? Winston, what's your answer? Okay. So this one, the correct answer. Yeah, Winston, you're also right. 340. Okay. So you do 5 times 60, then plus this one equals 5 times 88. Then that will be 300 plus 40, 340. Okay, everybody send me answer for number 5. What's your answer for this one? Olivia is correct. Samuel is correct. Who else? Audrey is correct. Who else? Winston, what's your answer? Kimberly, what's your answer? Okay. Yes. Kimberly also got it right. Winston, we are waiting your answer. Okay, good. Everybody got this one correct. 228. Okay, now everybody do number 6. Okay. Yeah. Samuel got it correct. Olivia got it correct. Audrey got it correct. Okay, Kimberly and Winston, send me your answer. So this one, that's equals, Kimberly, that's correct, 7 times 90, then plus 7 times 2. So you got this one. Oh, Winston also got it right. Very good. 644. Okay, now everybody work on 7. What's your answer for this one? This is a little bit harder. We have 3 digits. But you can do the similar way. Okay, Samuel got it correct. Olivia got it correct. Who else? Okay, this one you can do 6 times 300 plus 6 times 20, then plus 6 times 1. Kimberly, double check your answer. 6 times 300, that will be 1800. Then plus 120, then plus, yeah, with plus 6. So then you got the 1. Audrey got it correct. Kimberly got it correct. Winston also got it correct. Yeah, very good. Everybody got this one correct. Okay, now let's go to next page. This one we'll try to calculate a one digit times 3 digits. Say we try to model 6 times 285 as finding the area of a rectangle with height 6 and width is 285. The diagrams below are not draw to scale. So is this not scale? So this height is 6. Like white is 285. Then you separate this whites as 3 parts, 280 and 5. Then you calculate each rectangle square, the area, then you add together. Say the area of this one is 1200. This one will be 480. And this one is 30. Then you add these 3 numbers together. Then you get the total number. That's 1710. This is the answer for 6 times 285. Okay, so now let's see this example. Now let's work on 8. Everybody send me your answer. What's your answer for this one? See, they separate 258 as 200 plus 50 plus 8. Yeah, Oliver, you're right. Audrey, you're right. So this one will be 800. This one will be 200. This one will be 32. So final answer, that will be 800 plus 200 plus 32. You get 1032. Audrey also got it right. Oliver got it right. Okay, now let's work on 9. Number 9. Everybody send me your answer. Okay, Samuel is correct. Oliver, double check your answer. Audrey is correct. Samuel is correct. Who else? Winston. Keep work hard. Kimberly. Yeah, Oliver now got it correct. So, yeah, Kimberly got it correct. This one 1200. This one 80. This one 2. Then you got it together 1282. Very good. This one's correct answer. Now let's work on number 10. This one. What's your answer for this? Okay. Samuel correct, Audrey correct, Kimberly correct. Yes. So this one 700, then 280, then 49. Then you add these 3 numbers together, you get 1029. See, Kimberly, you need to think this 8 plus this 4, then you get 12. That one need to go 1000 digit. So this one will be 1029. And your answer is not right. So now let's go 11. 3 times 307. What's your answer for this one? This one's easy. Okay, that's 900. This 21. 921. Yes, very good. Okay, now let's see. Go to next page. This page, let's do calculate this one. This one now, they did not separate for you, and you need to do it by yourself. Now let's work on 12. What's your answer for this one? So you need to separate this one like to this part. This one will be 800. This one will be 20. This one will be 3. Then what's your answer? 2469. Yeah, Samuel correct. Oliver correct. This one's correct answer. 2469. Now let's work on 13. So this one you can separate. That's 200, then 10 and 6. This 200, right? So then what's your answer you got for this one? Yeah, Olivia's correct. Samuel is correct. Who else? Yeah, Kimberly is correct. Winston is correct. Yeah, everybody got Audrey. Everybody got this one right. Very good. So then you got this one. That's 800, then 40, then 24. So add together, you got 864. This one is correct answer. Very good. Now let's work on 14. So you write this one 7, then you separate this one's 500, this 20, this 6. Okay, Olivia got it correct. Samuel got it correct. It will be 3,500. This one will be 140. This one will be 42. So then you got 3,682. Yes, very good. Okay, now 15. Everybody work on this. This is 9. So this one that will be 200. This one will be 40. This one will be 3. Okay. So this one will be 1800. It will be 360. This will be 27. So you got this one 1,187. Yeah, Oliva got it correct. Samuel got it correct. 2,187. And Winston also got it correct. Very good. Now let's see. Here they ask you fill in all 6 missing numbers in each diagram below. Okay. Now let's separate this one. Now let me give this one to Kimberly. This one give to Audrey. This one give to Winston. Winston, you cannot draw, right? So if you cannot draw, now let me give this one to Oliva. Give this one to Oliva. Give this one to Samuel. Okay. You just do your signed problem. Okay. Winston, you just help me check if everybody did their work right. You tell me who did right, who did wrong. Okay. Now, Winston, can you tell me now? Say Kimberly finished. Is Kimberly did right? Send me your answer. You think this one she did right or wrong? Send me private chat. Is Kimberly did right or wrong? Okay. Winston, is Kimberly did this one right? Yeah, looks this one's right. Now let's see who finished. Olivia almost finished. Oh no, Samuel finished. Now let's check Samuel's. Yeah, Winston, is Samuel did this one right? Check Samuel's result. 20, okay, 30, this one, 21, 3,000, 31. Samuel got 7 times 433. This one looks right. Yes. Then now let's check Oliver's work. 500, then this one, okay. Because this one is 72, that means it's 9. Then, oh, see here. Oliver, here, this is not 27. This one is wrong. Correct answer. And now let's see. 4,500. So then here also wrong. Now let's check Audrey's work. Audrey, this is 600, okay, 210. Then got 3,210. Yeah, this one, that's right. Now let's check, let's double check Oliver's work. Now here, this one's right now. Then what's your final answer? Winston, also help me check Oliver's work. Okay, now we focus, everybody now focus on Oliver's work. See if she will write her final answer is right. Then I'll ask you, okay? Yeah, Winston, you got it right. You got it right. Okay. Very good, very good. Samuel, now, yeah, that's this right. Very good, very good. Now let's go to next page. This page, say we still try to learn this distributive property. You use 3 times 456. You just distribute this 3 times 400, 3 times 50, then 3 times 6, then add them together. That's actually exactly the same with what we did before. Then you use this area model. Then now let's see, we also can do this called vertical products. You can do 3 times 6. You write this one, this multiplication like this way, vertical formula. Then use this 3 times 6, right? You got 18. See, what do you write here? Then 3 times 5. You got 150. You write here. Then you use 3 times 4. That's 1,200. You write like here. Then you draw a horizontal line, then add all of them together. Okay, this is the 2 ways to do this. Say finally, you write this one as this. 3 times 6, you got 18 right here. Then 3 times 5, that's 150. You write second row. Then 3 times 4, you got 1,200. You write third row. You write plus, then draw a horizontal line, then add these 3 numbers together. See here, they said look carefully at all 3 methods above. At the end of each, we add these 3 numbers to get 1,368. Each method gives a different way of organizing the same computations using the distributive property. Here actually we show you the 3 ways, okay? The one way, you use area. Another one you distribute. Another one you use a vertical formula. Now in this problem, they ask you fill in the blanks in each computation below to find the product using multiplication algorithm from the previous page. Okay, so now let's give this one to Oliver, give this one to Audrey, give this one to Kimberly, give this one to Samuel. Now let me move this one a little bit up. Oh yeah, now you can do it. Now let's see. Wembley, you check if everybody did it right. Now let's see. Who finished? Yeah, Audrey finished. Wembley, Winston, can you tell me if Audrey is this one right? If Audrey did this one right? 15,300, then yeah, Winston, you're right. Yeah, that means Audrey did this one right. Now, Winston, can you tell me Oliver did this one right? Is this one right? That's 6. That's yes. So that means Oliver also did this one right. Now, Winston, help me check. Yeah, Kimberly, if you don't have the place to write to the right side, right here. Then Samuel, you can write here. Winston, then you check Kimberly's work. So 8 times 4, that's 32. 8 times 5, that's 400. Then 8 times 1, that's 800. So add together. Yeah, Winston, you're right. Yeah, so that means this one's right. So Winston, how about Samuel's result? What is the Samuel's result? Should be 6 times 9, that's 54. Then 6 times 3, that's 180. Then 6 times 2, that's 1200. Yeah, so you mean the Samuel's result also right. Very good, very good. Winston, you do very good job. You do the 4 person's work. Okay, now let's give this one to Audrey. Give this one to Kimberly. Now, other people help me check if they did it right. Okay, if you have book, you can do the access problem on the next page. And you also can help me check if the person did their work right. Okay, now let's check Audrey's work. 5 times 0, that's 0. 5 times 5, 250. 5 times 7, 3,500. So they got a 3,750. Okay, Audrey did it right. Oliver said this one right. Yes, Winston also said this one is right. Yes, good. Now, Kimberly. Everybody check Kimberly if Kimberly did her work right. So 7 times 7, 49. 7 times this to 140. 7 times 4, that's 2,800. So then her answer is 2,989. Winston, Samuel, oh, okay, Kimberly also did right. Oliver said, okay, good, good, this one's right. Now let's go to next page. This page, they ask you use a multiplication algorithm to find each product below. You will need to organize the work on your own. Be careful to line up the digits carefully. Okay, now let's move this one a little bit up. Now let's give this one to Audrey, this one to Olivia, this one to Kimberly, this one to Samuel. Then Winston, you check everybody's work if they did it right. Okay, Winston said Audrey's work is correct. Good. How about Olivia's work? Winston, Olivia's work is right. Is this one correct? Winston, I'm wait. Yeah, you said this one's correct. Yes, very good. Now Kimberly's work. Oh, Samuel's already finished his work. Can you, Winston? Can you check Samuel's work is correct? Samuel, you need to show our work. You can only just write a number, your answer there. You need to write the 3 lines of your partially result, not only give an answer there. Say 6. Let's check Kimberly's work. Winston, is Kimberly's work right? Is this one right? So, yeah, this one, yeah, this one's right. Okay, so time is up. We can stop here. Everybody, now let's see this page. Now let me see. This one, it's 44. So your homework that will be 44 to 46. Your homework, that's 44 to 46. Okay, page. So we can stop here. Everybody, bye.